Okay, this is take 2 for the furnace. What I've got hooked up, I've got the air hooked up, and I've got gas hooked up here. And the gas bottle is over there in the corner there, turned on and ready to run. Now, because it's take 2, I have actually run the furnace, but it was about half an hour ago. And so what I do, I start the gas by turning it on. And that's just running into the tuya, and that will warm up the gas, warm up the furnace. While it's warming up, we can just have a look at a couple of other things. Over here we've got the oil bottle with its pressure relief there. Currently there's no pressure in it. The furnace is looking a bit tired with age. You can see over here we've got metal that's pretty bent and corroded, but it still works okay. Down here we've got the moulds for the ingots. The moulds for the ingots, and underneath here we've got the aluminium ingots that I've already made from scrap aluminium. Now that's probably been running enough. We'll see how we go. So what I do is that give it a few pumps, turn the oil on, and turn the air on. Oops, it's my first time doing this. And I'll pump it a few times. And until it warms up better, I leave the height of the air nozzle fairly low, because it spreads out the oil to hit the sides, and it doesn't like it if I raise that. But I can get rid of the gas at this point in time. And turn the gas off. Now this one is the adjustment of the height of the air nozzle over the oil. If I increase the pressure of the oil, you might be able to see the flames coming out the top. There's too much pressure there, so I release some of the pressure in there by lifting that and releasing the pressure. And I did it too much. So that's about it. I might just turn it off there, turn off the oil, turn off the air, and that's it. I release the pressure here, and that's about it. Thanks very much.